Cameramen are ready. Puppets are ready. Screens are ready.
Yes, yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Ishan, start with her.
Welcome
अच्छा
everyone.
फोटो चल रहा है क्या?
Happy Diwali to each one of you. Does anyone know why we celebrate Diwali?
No.
You have to tell us.
Do you all know the story behind it?
No.
Come, let's find out. Thousands of years ago, there lived a king named Dasharath who ruled the kingdom of Ayodhya, located towards the eastern part of India. King Dasharath was a wise and kind king, but to keep his promise given to one of his wives, King Dasharath ordered his eldest son Ram to go spend 14 years in the forest. Obeying his father's orders, Ram, along with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman, headed into the jungle. One sunny day, while Sita was watering the lawn, she saw a golden deer. It was the most beautiful animal she had ever seen. She got so attracted towards it that she asked her husband, "Hey honey, can you catch that deer for me?" Ram said, "Sure love," and then calling out to his brother Lakshman, he said, "Hey brother Lakshman, please take care of Sita while I return." Ram went deep in the forest, chasing the deer. Few hours passed, but Ram did not return. Sita started getting worried. Suddenly, she heard a voice just like Ram's asking for help. "Sita, help me! Lakshman, help me!" Someone had faked Ram's voice. Sita immediately turned to Lakshman and said, "Hey brother Lakshman, please go and help my husband." Lakshman reluctantly agreed, but before leaving, he drew a line around Sita and told Sita, "Hey mother Sita, no one can harm you if you stay behind this line." That line is called Lakshman Rekha. While Sita was waiting for Ram and Lakshman to return, she heard a knock on the door. It was a bad, evil demon king called Ravan with 10 heads. Ravan forced Sita to cross the line and kidnapped her and took her away in his airplane. Sita cried for help, but no one could help her. She started dropping her ornaments from the plane, leaving a trail behind so that her husband Ram could find her. Ram and Lakshman wandered into the forest searching for Sita. During their search, they met a monkey man called Hanuman. Hanuman was no ordinary monkey. He was the strongest creature alive. He had the power to fly over mountains and oceans. Hanuman promised Ram to help him find Sita. Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman, along with an army of monkeys and bears, walked thousands of miles to the south, following the trail left behind by Sita. meet the rich kingdom of Lanka. The entire kingdom was glittering with flowers. Hanuman found Sita sitting in a lush green garden full of fruit, vegetables and flowers. Reassuring Sita, he said, "Hey, Mother Sita, please don't worry. Lord Ram will come and free you from the evil Ravan." After his long flight over the ocean, Hanuman was so hungry that he ate all the fruits and vegetables from the garden. This made King Ram very angry, and he burnt Hanuman's tail. With fire on his tail, Hanuman hopped around and burned the entire kingdom of Lanka. Hanuman returned to Ram and told him about Sita's whereabouts. Now, the big question in front of them was, how will this thing cross the ocean? Now everyone can fly like a bomb. One of the monkeys shouted, "My dad is an architect, and I have made some construction tips. We can build a bridge." After months of hard work, they built a bridge across the Indian Ocean. That bridge is called Ram Setu. Soon after, the big army of brave warriors marched towards Lanka, and a great battle started between Rav's army and Ravan's army. Ravan, using all his demonic powers, emerged with 10 heads. But Ram, with his valor, aimed an arrow at Ravan's neck and killed him instantly. The demon evil king, Ravan, was no more. Finally, Ram and Sita were reunited. Soon after, upon completion of the 14 years of exile, Ram, Sita, and Lakshman returned home to find the entire city of Ayodhya waiting for them. The streets were decorated with flowers and lamps, and there was happiness everywhere. Therefore, every year on Diwali, you see the streets, homes, and offices lit up with lamps like the city of Ayodhya in celebration of Ram and Sita homecoming. This is why we celebrate Diwali, a festival of joy and prosperity and celebration of good omen.
Good job.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
Good job, guys. Was it alright? Better?
that was lovely, amazing.